This is for my favorite YouTubers, like there's from kind of King and all these bikes come on the game. Hey guys, I hope they get like a lot of subscribers and even more than a million, and I hope they have a great day and you have a great day. Well, this is my first video. I think the screen recording will be good, but it doesn't work. Because I'm gonna die. Goodbye. Wait.